Hurricane Dorian is rapidly intensifying. The National Hurricane Center is now predicting the storm could strengthen to a Category 4 before making landfall along the east coast of Florida by Monday. Residents across the region are bracing for the worst and clearing out store shelves of supplies in preparation. Nadia Romero is in Puerto Rico with the latest on this developing story.
Hurricane Dorian is getting stronger. After delivering a glancing blow to Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, the storm is picking up energy over the Atlantic Ocean and setting its sights on the Sunshine State.
All Floridians really need to monitor Hurricane Dorian.
Forecasters say Dorian is difficult to predict, but models are showing today the hurricane could at least double in size before slamming into Florida by Labor Day. A state of emergency has been declared in several Florida counties where local, state, and federal officials are mobilizing resources.
We were ready in Puerto Rico, and we're very ready also in Florida.
As authorities warn residents to take precautions.
You should have 7 days of food and medicine and water as part of your plan.
Across the state, store shelves are emptying and lines at gas stations are building up as residents heed advice, stocking up before Dorian arrives.
Just getting prepared before the storm comes.
The U.S. Coast Guard issued safety advisories and warned those eager to celebrate the Labor Day holiday to steer clear of the beaches.
Dorian in particular looks like it's going to be a major event, more dangerous than some. And while I can appreciate there may be some desire to seek a thrill and head into the water, you really are taking your life in your hands.
In Ponce, Puerto Rico, I'm Nadia Romero reporting.
And here's the latest on Hurricane Dorian. It's currently spinning off to the northeast of the Dominican Republic, continuing to push northwestward. Current sustained winds are at 85 miles an hour with gusts upwards of 105 miles an hour. So that makes it a Category 1 hurricane for now. But as it continues to spin over the warm waters of the Atlantic, we are expecting that storm to continue to strengthen and build, potentially as high as a Category 4 storm that slides over the northern islands of the Bahamas as we get into Sunday, and then that will continue to push eastward towards the southern end of Florida as we get into Monday afternoon, potentially making landfall as a Category 4 storm with winds of 130 miles an hour. Now, the track of this storm can change, so you'll want to be sure to stay tuned for the latest forecast if you have any interest, especially in Florida, but across the southeast United States, as this storm could make its way up the coast or go across into the Gulf of Mexico. So definitely something to keep an eye on as we go into the holiday weekend. And again, as it continues to make its way in towards land, it will weaken once it makes it into land. But back here at home, we are seeing fairly quiet conditions. We've had some cloud cover roll in this afternoon after some sunshine this morning. All the rain and shower and thunderstorm activity has stayed off to our west today. That's where you can see the thunderstorms blowing up across portions of northern Missouri. That's where an active severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. But as we look closer here at home, we're seeing that cloud cover spread out across the region, and even it is starting to dissipate. However, as that boundary continues to slide through the area, we could still see some isolated showers or storms pop up across the area this evening. Temperatures right now are in the 80s to upper 70s across the area, and as we zoom in for a look here across east central Illinois, we're at 80 in Charleston along with Paris and Danville. Robinson's at 79 along with Effingham, and it's currently 81 over in Terre Haute. It has been another breezy day. These southerly to southwesterly winds are pumping in that warmer air mass. It's also a little bit more humid out there today. You've probably noticed that. We currently have a southerly breeze at 15 miles an hour in Decatur, 13 up in Danville. As we pick Futurecast up going into the evening hours, you'll see most of us will stay quiet. However, it's hinting at those chances for some spotty showers and thunderstorms. Even into the early morning hours, you can see that activity across our northern counties, but I think most of us will just notice the increase in the cloud cover as we get into the overnight hours, and that in turn will keep our temperatures a little bit warmer as we go into the overnight hours, so only down to 65 tonight. Again, those isolated storms will be a possibility, but I think most of us are going to stay dry with a southwest breeze at 5 to 10 miles an hour. So picking Futurecast back up for your Friday. As we head into the holiday weekend, some cloud cover to start. I think we'll see that cloud cover break down, so we will see some sunshine for your Friday. But then as we get into the afternoon and evening hours, we'll start to see the chances for some scattered showers, primarily across our southern counties along and south of Highway 36 tomorrow, and possibly another round of some more heavier rain for places like Effingham, Newton, into the Robinson area as we go into Friday night. But all in all, Friday not going to be a bad day. 70 degrees at 9 a.m. up to 75 by noon. Again, we'll see some sunshine in the morning before those chances for scattered showers and storms pick up going into the end of the day. As we look ahead into the weekend, plenty of festivals going on across the area. And these icons make it look worse than it actually will be. We'll see some scattered showers and storms on Saturday. Not a widespread event, and I don't think everyone's going to see rainfall. Also some lingering showers Sunday morning, but as we look into Monday, we're looking A-OK with temperatures back in the lower 80s. So whether you're going to Arthur, Casey, or the Hoopston National Sweet Corn Festival this weekend, we are looking pretty good. Here's Futurecast showing those chances for showers. Again, not widespread activity, just hit or miss stuff through Saturday. So I think most of us are going to stay dry, but we can't rule out those chances for showers and storms as this boundary is just going to set up right across the area. Any rainfall we do see for the weekend is going to be some good news, though. We are still in the moderate drought conditions across our northern counties. We're looking into the weekend. We are looking better into next week. We're going to start cranking up those temperatures with highs back in the upper 80s.
Thanks, Everett.